Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Charis. May pandilitsi. Mangkotabisina ko may pandilitsi nga tinapay. Hi. This is Allen. Yan na. Namat. The weather is good, guys. But according to the news, there's a typhoon in the next few days. Maybe that's why the weather today is beautiful, because there's a typhoon. Ha? Hindi, no. Imo lang.